misfire on cylinders 3 and 7. Customer stated that they just had the spark plugs and coils replaced recently. Let's get into it and see what we have. Just a quick lesson, just in case you guys are not familiar with the cylinder bank layout, the firing order of a BMW. This is a V8, cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got the plug out of cylinder 3 and a little bit at the tip. Don't look like they've been replaced a year ago. And it said they had the coils replaced. You can look all the dirt and debris over top of the coil. There's also a date on the coil, February 10th of 2015. This has not been replaced. Okay, cylinder 6 coil is dated 3/10 of 21, and we're going into 25. Let's go call a customer, and that plug in that cylinder didn't look that good either. All right, let's go with some new coils. Look at the date there, 4/12 of